must wear a face covering. If you're getting on the train at Heathrow Airport or on a bus, tube, train or other services with this symbol, you must, unless you exempt. Can you see this? Nobody's wearing a mask. I'm at Paddington Station. Absolutely ludicrous. And there's no difference anyway. Freedom Day or lockdown day or face mask covering day, or there's no such thing as there are announcements, but there are no enforcements. There are announcements for everything, but there's no absolute consideration for others. There's no so-called mask wearing. It's all free. You can do what you like, just like that guy. Understand? And that's the way it is. Just like to show, like this one here, anything to do with foreigners, whereas all new faces, no mask.